Today, I am diving into passive income through real estate. But here's a twist. Have you heard about digital real estate? I'd like to thank you for clicking on this video. Now let me have your attention. I am actually a real person using this AI voice. It helps me communicate more smoothly, and honestly, I think it sounds pretty cool. So, hopefully you'll stick around because I've got some important things to say. This video is all about real estate. What makes me qualified to talk about this? Well, I've personally owned 18 different properties where I had to fix and rent out, experiencing both the highs and lows of real estate investment. For anyone who wants to find a way to passively generate income, this video just may be for you. Imagine waking up every morning, checking your bank account and seeing new income generated while you slept. This is the allure of passive income money earned with minimal active effort. It's the dream of financial freedom, allowing you to escape the 9-to-5 grind and pursue your passions. But the path to passive income is paved with choices, each with its own set of challenges and rewards. In this video, you'll see two popular avenues: physical real estate and digital real estate. Which one is right for you? Let's dive in and find out. Physical real estate, the traditional path to passive income, involves purchasing properties like houses or apartments, prepping them, finding tenants and renting them out. The initial investment can be substantial, often requiring a significant down payment and closing costs, then sometimes the initial cost to get things up to par. Depending on the location and size of the property, you could be looking at an initial outlay of tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The income potential in physical real estate comes from rental income. As a landlord, you collect rent from tenants, which ideally covers your mortgage payments, property taxes and other expenses, leaving you with a profit. This profit is your passive income. However, finding reliable tenants and then relying on them to consistently pay rent over time can be challenging, especially with the economy and unexpected things that may come up in people's lives. While physical real estate can generate passive income, it's not entirely hands-off. Landlords are responsible for property maintenance, repairs, and tenant management. Unexpected repairs like a leaky roof or a broken appliance can eat into your profits. Managing tenants can also be time-consuming, from screening potential renters to handling complaints, minor to major repairs, and even evictions. You might need to hire a property manager, which further cuts into your profits. While physical real estate offers tangible assets and potential appreciation, it also comes with significant responsibilities and potential headaches. On the other side of the spectrum lies digital real estate. There are many examples I could cover, but for this video, let's head to the top of the list, where platforms like YouTube reign supreme. Instead of physical properties, you're building an audience by creating and sharing valuable content. The initial investment in digital real estate is significantly lower than in physical real estate. You don't need a hefty down payment, just a computer, camera, and internet connection. The beauty of YouTube is its accessibility. Anyone can start a channel and upload videos for free. The barrier to entry is low, making it an attractive option for aspiring passive income earners. But don't mistake accessibility for ease. Creating engaging content that attracts and retains viewers requires effort, creativity, and consistency. Content is king. While the initial investment in YouTube is low, creating high-quality content requires time, effort, and often financial investment. You might need to invest in better equipment, editing software, or even hire freelancers for tasks like video editing or graphic design. However, these costs are still significantly lower than the down payment on a rental property. The income streams on YouTube are diverse. You can earn through advertising revenue known as AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. As your channel grows and your audience expands, so does your income potential. The key is to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience and keeps them coming back for more. Take the example of PewDiePie, a Swedish YouTuber who started his channel in 2010. He filmed himself playing video games and providing humorous commentary. Fast forward to today, and PewDiePie has amassed over 111 million subscribers, making him one of the most subscribed YouTubers globally. His estimated net worth? over $40 million, primarily earned through his YouTube channel. PewDiePie's success story highlights the immense income potential of digital real estate. While his journey is exceptional, it showcases the power of consistency, audience engagement, and strategic monetization on YouTube. Let's briefly take a look at CPM, or cost per mille variations, across YouTube categories. It's important to note that not all YouTube channels are created equal. Earnings vary drastically depending on your niche and audience engagement. CPM is a crucial metric in YouTube monetization. It represents the revenue you earn per 1,000 views on your videos. Niches like finance, business, and technology often have higher CPMs compared to entertainment or gaming channels. This is because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach these valuable demographics. However, higher CPMs don't always translate to higher earnings. Ultimately, the key is to find a niche you're passionate about and create content that resonates with your target audience. Now, let's talk about the power of leverage. Scaling your digital real estate empire. One of the most significant advantages of digital real estate is its scalability. Once you create a piece of content, like a YouTube video, it can generate income repeatedly without additional effort from your side. This is the beauty of digital leverage. As your audience grows, your income potential multiplies exponentially. Unlike physical real estate, where managing multiple properties can become increasingly complex, managing a YouTube channel doesn't necessarily become more challenging with growth. You can leverage your existing content, collaborate with other creators, and even automate tasks like video editing or social media promotion. I'd say the majority of people are interested in building wealth. The game has changed now, and in the future there will be more ways than ever to accomplish this. But for this video, we're talking about two differences. Bricks versus bytes. Both physical and digital real estate offer viable paths to building wealth through passive income. Physical real estate provides tangible assets with potential appreciation, while digital real estate offers scalability and lower barriers to entry. The best choice depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and long-term goals. If you prefer the security of tangible assets and have the capital for a down payment, physical real estate might be a good fit. However, if you're comfortable with a higher risk tolerance and prefer the flexibility and scalability of the digital world, digital real estate might be your ideal path.